Hello crochet friends and welcome back. We're working on our teddy bear and we're going to make his little heart today. So this is still the same. I love this yarn, cotton, I think that's what it's called. Oh, I love this cotton and it is literally just called pink. So I'm glad about that. It's just plain old pink. Okay, so we're going to get ourselves started. I'm going to use that same 2.5 millimeter crochet hook. We're going to start again with a magic circle. So we're going to go over our hand, cross, and go over again. Go under the first strand, grab the second, twist, and pull that up on the shank of our hook. This has been great practice of these magic circles with this project, hasn't it? It's wonderful. Okay, we're going to start with a chain one. So let's chain one right here. And we're going to do inside of our circle here a half double crochet. So we're going to yarn over and we're going to enter our circle. Yarn over and pull through. We have 3 on our shank, yarn over and pull through all 3. Okay, and that's a half double crochet. And then we're going to do a double crochet. So yarn over, enter your circle, yarn over and pull through. Yarn over, pull through only 2 this time. Just the 2. And it's a little floppy because we're working with the magic circle, so just take your time. Yarn over and pull through the other 2. Okay, so we did a chain 1, a half double crochet, a double crochet, and let's chain 1 again. Okay, and now we're going to do 2 single crochets. So enter your circle, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through 2, enter your circle, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through 2. There's 2 single crochets. Chain 2, so yarn over and pull through 1, yarn over and pull through 2. And now 2 more single crochets. So enter, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through 2, go back in again for another one, yarn over and pull through 2. All right, so that's 2 single crochets. Chain 1, okay, and now a double crochet. So yarn over, enter your loop, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Now we need a half double crochet, so yarn over, enter your loop, yarn over and pull through. And we have 3, yarn over and pull through all 3. Wonderful. Chain 1, and we're going to pull our tail now. Okay, we want to pull it nice and tight. Close up that center circle there. Wonderful. And now we're going to end this with a slip stitch in the very middle. So enter your loop, yarn over and pull through again for a slip stitch. And that will close up. Now, look at that. We've made such a cute little heart. So let's cut this off and leave a long tail for sewing. Pull this loop through. You should be able to get it all nice and tight. So just, sometimes you have to manipulate it, work on it a little bit. Try and pull everything nice and tight. If your heart won't close up as tight as you would like, you could sew across the back there if you'd like. I am going to take my needle and I will bring this piece, my yarn needle, and I will bring it through the hole there, because what that does with this knot here, this slip stitch at the end, that to me finishes it off. So let me see if I can find one here. Here we go, just to show you what it looks like. I like how it pulls it through and then it makes it a little bit neater. That's all. That's all. Okay, so when you bring this through here, it kind of pulls the heart to a proper shape, okay? And then you can tuck this in the back and it'll hold it still. And I think, I'm debating, I might sew mine closed on there a little more because I can't seem to get mine tight enough. You should be able to. I'm sure it's just me. But I think I might sew this little heart closed. I don't know, it's kind of cute that way. It's going to be on his little white body, so you'd see that little bit of white through it. That's kind of cute, isn't it? So I might leave it like that. I might just tuck in all my little tails and leave it like that. It's kind of cute. So that's a cute heart. It's just the right size for him, I think. So I hope you like it. You don't have to use the heart if you don't want to. I like it on there. I don't know. It's kind of reminiscent of the teddy bear I had when I was a kid. He has a heart on him, and I like that. So anyway, I like the little heart. So if you want to use it, you're more than welcome to. If not, no problems. And that's it for today. Next time, what we'll do is we'll put this all together and finish up. I'll see you then. Thank you, and have a joyful day.